Students, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and we are solving MStat paper PSA solutions, and this is a question number 1. The function given by, so we have to find out that either it is having 3 real roots or 1 real roots or no real roots. So let's simplify. So let's consider u is equals to e to the power x. Then u will be greater than 0 for all the real x. So we get fx is equals to u minus u square minus 6u cube. So that is minus 6u cube minus u square plus u. So we'll solve for fx is equals to 0. Then minus 6u cube minus u square plus u is equal to 0. So here the factor being u minus 6u square minus u plus 1 is equal to 0. So either u is equal to 0 or minus 6u square minus u plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore u is equal to 0 has no real solution. Why? Because u is equal to e to the power x greater than 0. So we have to solve for the quadratic here. So then using the quadratic, minus 6u square minus u plus 1 is equal to 0, or 6u square plus u minus 1 is equal to 0. So we use the quadratic formula, minus 1 plus minus root under 1 square plus 4 plus 6 1 by 2 multiplied by 6. So minus 1 plus minus 25 by 12, or minus 1 plus minus 5 by 12. So u will be equals to 4 by 12 comma minus 6 by 12. So again, now since u is equals to e to the power x greater than 0, so u is minus 1 by 2, which is not valid. So only valid solution is u is equal to 1 by 3. So e to the power x is 1 by 3, or x is equal to log 1 by 3. So my answer will be only it has one real root.